Hi guys, today we are going to be simplifying expressions with grouping symbols, okay? Let's get started. So if you'll remember that the distributive property is when you have a number on the outside of a parenthesis and an expression on the inside with multiple terms, and then you multiply everything inside the parenthesis by what's outside of the parenthesis. Outside of my parenthesis here, I have a -3, okay? So I'm going to multiply that -3 by what's inside the parenthesis. So that's -3 times x and -3 times -2. So I will keep the 8, and then I will do -3 times x, which is -3x. And then I will do -3 times -2, which is +6. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine my like terms, okay? Let's look here. My like terms, so my terms are +6, -3x, and 8. All right, so I'm going to rewrite my terms. So I have 8, used the 8. What's like terms with the 8 is the +6. All right, so I used +6. And then -3x. All right, so I can combine the 8 plus 6. And that is 14 minus 3x. So my final answer on this one is going to be 14 minus 3x. All right, so if we come over here to the second problem, I'm going to do the distributive property again with the 2 times 4 and 2 times -x, or 2 times -x. So what that's gonna do is make this 8. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then 2 times -x is -2x. All right. Now I have a +5. Okay, so I have +5 multiplying that by x. That's going to be +5x. And +5 times -7 is going to give us -35. Okay. So over here, I circle my first term and sign on the right. And then I keep going for the sign and the term. Make sure you get the sign and the term. My sign and my term. And then my term. There's no sign in front of it, so we know it's positive. Okay. So I will rewrite this as 8. So cross that off. I used it. And the other term that is like the 8 in here is the -35. Okay, so I'll cross off the -35. Let's see if there are any other numbers that are like the 8 and the -35. It does not look like that doesn't look like there are any other terms like the 8 or the -35. So then my next term is -2x. So cross that -2x off. And the other term that is like that is the +5x. So I combine my like terms. I get 8 minus 35. That's going to give me -27. And then I have -2x plus 5x. Well, that's a +3x, so plus 3x. So my final answer for this one is -27 plus 3x. That could also be written as 3x minus 27.